Sir, where did you come from in America?
I got married here. I'm an American citizen now.
Do you have a passport?
Passport? No, officer. I use my chart for border crossing.
Your chart?
Yeah, customs officers call it a certified risk card.
Oh man, you gotta be the boldest bird.
Sir, why were you flying over the speed limit?
Speed limit? Bro, I got wings, not wheels.
Still, you can't just zoom over traffic like that.
Hey, tell the pigeons first. They're the real road hazards.
Do you have any ID?
Yeah, check under my feathers. It's called a birth certificate.
Sir, you're under arrest for illegal flight.
Illegal flight? I was born to fly, officer.
You crossed 3 states without a passport.
It's called express delivery, baby.
Anything you say can and will be used against you.
Good! Maybe it'll finally go viral.